Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to Crypto Airdropper. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw Tron from Minex. Okay, so I've already made several videos about this platform, but from the comments I've gotten from the video, some people think this website is not paying anymore. But I'm here to show you guys and assure you guys that this platform is legit and it's still paying. So in today's video, I'll I'll place a withdrawal, then I'll come back and show you guys how the website work in the mean as we wait for the withdrawal to effect on my wallet. Okay, so before we get started, let's take like 5 seconds to subscribe to my channel. So if this is the first time you're coming across Crypto Airdropper, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, turn on notification so that you can receive more videos on how to make money online, updates, and on updates on cryptocurrency. That's update on free cryptocurrency airdrops. Okay, so and make sure you check out my previous videos to to claim some airdrops that stay ongoing, or to see how you can make some money online. Okay, so I believe most of you, and this in my last video I showed you guys how you can claim Quora airdrop. So I think the airdrop is still ongoing, so don't miss that, because one Quora as of yesterday was about $16 and it was still rising. Okay, so make sure you check it out on take part in the airdrop. Okay, so let's, without any further ado, let's get into the business. Okay, so this is the dashboard. So I'll be dropping the registration link, that's the registration link to this website, in the description below. So once you click on the link and it redirects you to the web page, all you need to do is sign in. Okay, that's all you need to do is sign up. If you don't already have an account, you register and create a new account. Okay, you'll provide your email, you create a password, and you just create an account. Okay, so once you do that, this is the dashboard that will bring you to, but yours might be 00. So but before I talk about more about the platform, let me place a withdrawal, so that as we wait for the withdrawal, I'll be explaining, we'll telling you guys about the platform. Okay, so to place a withdrawal, click on menu button there, then you go to withdraw. Okay, so the minimum, I'm currently mining Tron, and the minimum withdrawal for Tron is about 200 Trons. So I'm about to withdraw that. Okay, so I'll click here and I choose Tron. Okay, so I choose Tron, so I'm withdrawing everything. So as you can see, this is the withdrawal amount. So this is what I will receive after they've taken out about 0.2 as their charge or something. Okay, so after you copy your wallet address, yeah, your Tron wallet address from maybe Binance. So this mine is from Binance or Trust Wallet or Hobby, any wallet you want to use. Just come over here, paste it, and click on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, you wait for them to process your withdrawal. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, you see something like this: the withdrawal request has been placed. Okay, so this is it. You can see withdraw to, so as you can see, my withdrawal has been placed successfully and the status is still loading. Okay, the withdrawal is still loading. Okay, so in the meantime, let me tell you more about the platform. So the name of this platform is Minex, and on Minex you can mine several tokens like Monero, Tron, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Litecoin. To mine any crypto, any of these coins, all you have to do is just click on them. Let's say I want to mine Dogecoin. Click on Dogecoin and you click on Start. Okay. So the only downside to this platform is that you can only mine one cryptocurrency at a time. Okay, you can only mine at a time. And I've seen a lot of questions like, do I need to upgrade to earn on this website? No, you don't need to upgrade before you can earn on this website, because personally I didn't upgrade, that I didn't make a deposit to upgrade my account. I've been mining, and so I've been mining since. So once you register, you have a mining, that's your power, your mining power, which will be about 3,000, but you can increase that. You can and you can get more mining power by referring people to the website. Okay, so the more you refer people, the more your mining power. That's for every referral, that's for every active successful referral, you get 50 mining, that's 50 GH mining power added to your your current mining power. So the more people, the more your mining power, the faster you mine, and the shorter it takes for you to reach your withdrawal threshold so that you can withdraw. Okay, so that's that about this. So partners, under partners, this is where you can see where you can get your referral link, where you can get see number of withdrawals, your referrals, your active referrals, and total GH you received from them. Okay, so but one important thing you should notice, as you can see, do not register under your referral link, and do not try to get referrals. Violators will be blocked without the right to restore an account. So what this means is, they will ban you whenever, like, they'll block your account whenever you're caught self-referring. That's when you create multiple accounts and refer yourself, because they monitor IP addresses, and whenever they detect that, you'll be banned. Okay, and make sure you don't use a VPN on this app. Okay, so that's that about. So this is where you can get your referral link here. Just copy it and share it to your friends and family and get them to start mining. So bonuses. So this is one of the good things about this bonus. You can get free GH every 60 minutes on this bonus. You can get between 10 to 70 GH every, that's you can get 10 to 70 mining power every 60 minutes on this platform. All you have to do is come over to bonus, where it says bonus on the menu, and just click on get bonus. Okay, click on get bonus. So as you can see, once you click on that, you will receive your bonus, and you need to wait another 60 minutes before you claim the next bonus. Okay, so then history, this is where you see all your withdrawals, your everything. So as you can see the status, let me check if the Tron is there. Okay, hello guys, so as you can see, I just checked my mail, and as you can see, I've received the Trons in my Binance account. As you can see, I've received 211.566809 Trons in my Tron Binance wallet. Okay, so this is confirmation that this platform still pays. Okay, it still pays, and you can see I received this in less than 5 minutes. So I've made several withdrawals on this platform, and they've all been very fast and swift. As you can see, these are all. So the first withdrawal I made was in Trons, but ever since then I've been mining only. Was in Litecoin. Ever since then, I've been mining only Tron because of the fast network. So under history, this is where you see all your withdrawals, your referral, your bonuses, and your referral bonuses and stuff. So replenish. Under replenish, this is where if you want to make a deposit. Okay, you understand, this is if you where you want to make a deposit to get more mining power, as you can see. So you can make a deposit of up to 0.1 USD to get more gas fee. So for this amount of USD, you get 250 GH per second. Okay, so depending on, so personally, I've not tried this before because I've never made a deposit on the platform. But if you're ready to take the risk, because this is not a financial advice, but if you feel you can take the risk to get more mining power, maybe because you can't refer a lot of people, so you can try this out. You can pay with you can pay with cryptocurrency. So you just do that and follow these steps there. Okay, so then withdraw, like I mentioned, this is where you can withdraw. While under settings, this is where you can change your password. So under withdraw, this you can also find the minimum withdrawals there. So as you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount for Monero is 0.5, Tron is 200, BT is 0.005, BCH 0.1, Dogecoin is 540, Litecoin 0.02. Okay, so I think this brings us to the end of the video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you love the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it, turn on notifications so that whenever I drop new updates like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.